Dada? Can you say Dada? You want to hold it? Yeah, you're holding it. Good job. Here. Oh, Dad looks like poop. Dad looks like poop. There you go. See? Who is that? Is that me? Is it Dad? You're such a little stinker. You grab your toesies and you pull your socks every time. See, you even try to pull your sock off when I have your sock. You want it?